Hi everyone, it's good to see you again. I'm Dr. Zarif. I'm the founder of the Rhythm Diet. Acorn Squash. This is a clue that what we're going to do today is work with this beautiful specimen. What we're going to do is show you how to prepare acorn squash using foil. Okay? All right. Now, you get your knife in very good there, nice and snug. You want to make sure you hold it down and you want to follow it through. Always have the blade facing down. Takes a lot of energy, so a little muscle there, okay? All right, now what we do is we have a half. Let's work with this half. It's a little cute half. We want to clean out the seeds. Just take a spoon. So what we do is we take it out just like that. You remove it, as simple as that. Okay. Now some people use other oils, but I use coconut oil because it can tolerate higher degrees, more heat without it turning or changing into trans fats, which are very unhealthy for us. Okay, so what we want to do after that, what we do, we put it on foil. Now we want to make this a little interesting, right? So what we do here, we take some, you'll need a little, you can have almonds, but I'm using walnuts. Omega-3 fatty acids in them. And as far as we know, the walnut is the only nut with omega-3 fatty acids. So we add that to, I have a few raisins in there just so you can have that sweet taste, okay? After you do that, we want to add a little bit of nutmeg. Then we add just a little bit of grade B maple syrup. After this, we just wrap it up like that. Always start in an angle here. Good. You place it in that oven. Remember, it's about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And you take it, you place it in the oven, maybe a pan here. The reason that you put it in the pan is because it may leak a little bit because of all the moisture. There's a lot of water in the squash. So this foil will help to retain that moisture, and it will be cooked actually by the steam or the moisture coming from the squash. After about 45 minutes, you're going to be ready for the dish to come out looking like this. Now that's how you make acorn squash with delicious, delicious filling and in foil.